Okay. And so now, this is clear that the probability of B such that A happened is 3 over 12 kasi there's already a number that was already picked at the start. Okay? And so, let's now move on with the formula of our probability. Dependent siya kasi meron nang mangyaring mauna bago mangyari ang pangalawa. Okay? And this usually happens when a number, when there's a picking or drawing of something without replacement. Ibig sabihin ng without replacement, hindi na siya ibabalik sa kanyang lalagyan. Okay? Just like in Lotto. But good thing you're not familiar with that. Okay? Kasi pag lumabas na yung unang bola, hindi na siya pwedeng ibalik dun sa pangalawa. Okay? So that's where this happens. Okay? Now, let's move on. So the probability will be equal to P of A, the first event, multiplied by the second event such that the A already happened. So that is the P of B such that A happened. Ayan. We just have to substitute and multiply. So this will become, the P of A is 9 over 13 times 3 over 12. Okay? And so let's just simplify this. What's the answer? Type it in the chat box, please. What is the answer? You can simplify this further. Actually, this is divisible by 3. This becomes 1. This becomes 4. Yeah. And then you can simply multiply. That is 9 over 52. And 9 over 52 can still be simplified. They are still divisible by 3. So that becomes 3. Then 52 becomes 13. Ay, tama ba? It's not 13. 52 divided by 3. Is it still 52 divided by 3 is equal to... Ay, hindi na siya. No, it can't be. So we cannot simplify that anymore further. So therefore, the answer is only 9 over 52. So that's the probability. It's 9 over 52. That's it. That's because it happened because there is no replacement of cards. Got it? Show me a reaction if that's clear so far. Okay. If you can remember this, actually, we already did this when we were having our FPC, right? Na kapag nauna na dito, may nabawasan na dito, hindi na siya nababawasan na yung minumultiply sa mga sumusunod without replacement. Okay? Show me a reaction if that's clear to you. Let me see. And we're done. Do you want another example for this? Deck of cards. Oh, let's have another example. Do you want? Okay, another example. Okay, dependent events. Okay, this time I have this problem. In a bag, there are 10 blue balls and 4 green balls. Yan. What is the probability that 3 blue balls will be drawn? The 3 blue balls and 1 green ball will be drawn in succession without replacement. Yan, walang balikan. So this is again in dependent events, probability of dependent events. In a bag, there are 10 blue balls and 4 green balls. What's the probability that 3 blue balls and 1 green ball will be drawn in succession without replacement? So therefore, ilang balls? How many balls will you be drawing from the bag? How many balls will you be picking or drawing from the bag? Let me see. Your classmates already computed. Okay. 14? How many balls will you be picking? 3 blue balls and 1 green ball. Ilan yung pipick nyo? How many? How many? 4 lang. 3 blue tsaka 1 green. Okay? That's it. So therefore, there will be 4 events here. 4 dependent event. 1 independent, yun yung unang draw, and then 3 dependents kasi dumidependa sila sa doon. Okay? So let's just mark them as, para mas madali, P of A, o kaya P of A na lang, and then P of B, such that A happened, and then P of C such that B happened, and then P of D such that C happened. Okay? Mag A, B, C, D yan. Okay. So this is actually ready. How many balls are there in the what do you call that? In our probability, in our bag? Ready? Are you ready? How many total balls are there in the bag? There are 14. So those are the balls that are really inside the bag. Okay. So the first ball, it should be blue. It should be blue. So therefore, that will be 1. So how many are blue? Sorry, that's 10 over 14. Oh, that's clear. Kasi you have 10 chances to pick blue balls from the 14 balls. Can you follow? Show me a reaction if that's clear. Good. Next. Susunod, blue ulit dapat. Blue ulit. Okay. But in here, nabunot mo na yung isang blue. The one blue ball was already picked on the first. How many na lang ang blue balls na meron pa sa bag? How many blue balls are still there in the bag? Type it in the chat box, please. Okay. There is a small girl answering here. There's only 9 blue balls daw. Correct. Meron akong katabing mga bata dito. There's only 9. Okay. Correct. There are only 9 blue balls out of how many available balls pa are there in the bag? 9 over? 9 over what? 9 over from 14, remove 1, 13. Okay. Got it? So there are already 2 balls that were picked. 2 blue balls. Oh, next. Oh, another blue ball na naman kasi dapat sunod-sunod na dapat blue. How many? It only becomes 8 na lang kasi nalabas na yung dalawa over 12 because there are only 12 left in the bag. Can you follow? Okay. And finally, the last one should be green. The last one should be green. How many green balls do you have still in the bag? There are still 4 green balls. Over, ilan na lang ang natitira? In total, 11. Because there are the other 3 balls were already picked. And without replacement, hindi sila binabalik. So therefore, that is for the last ball. Ayan. So with that, we just have to multiply them all afterwards. So this will become the probability is equal to 10 over 14 times 9 over 13 times 8/12 times 4/11. Okay? And so what's the answer? Type it in the chat box, please. Use your calculator if you want. 3. 3. What else? 4, 7. Meron pa ba? Wala na. So 10 times 3, 30. 30 times 4, 120. 120 over, ay marami to. So this is 7 times 13 times 11 equals 10. Let me see the rest. Please show the answer. Type the answer in the chat box. 10 times 3 times 4. That's 120. And then 7 times 13 times 11 is 1001. Let me see if we have the same answer. Okay, we have the same answer. Very good. So that's the probability. See? These are just 10 balls and these are just 14 balls. Okay? And the probability is already 120 over 1001. So lumiliit yung chances. Ne? So all the more kapag dumarami yung mga numbers mo, just like in Lotto. Yan, 46, 42, 50. Meron pa nga yatang 58. So talaga namang all the more na lumiliit na lang yung chances niya para manalo. Okay, kaya nga sabi nga yata ni Chester kanina, yung lolo niya mas logi na kasi yung lolo niya magbuhat pa nung mabata-bata pa siya, tumatay na ng loto hanggang ngayon hindi pa siya nananalo. Sino lang ang nananalo? Yung PCSO. Oh, well, good thing kasi tumutulong sila sa mga mahihirap. Okay? Do you have any question or concern? Show me a reaction if everything is clear so far. Okay. Thank you so much. And so, now is your time. It's your turn to do our meme, our featured meme for the week. Okay, let me see. I hope some of you already made this. Ayan. This is our featured meme for this week. Ayan. Oh, kindly take a screenshot of our featured meme. Okay. So we've learned a lot for today. It's now time for us to loosen up a bit with this meme. Kamusta na kayo? How are you after learning all these lessons about probability of events? Okay? So, kaya pa? Actually, madali lang sila. Medyo marami lang ng konti. Okay, let's now have the link for our meme. Ay, yeah. Where will you be posting the meme? It's here. Here, Math 10 meme. Ayan. Here we go. Ayan, so far. Ayan, may nagpo-post na. Aba, nyaman na loklok nina. So, wait. This will already be our last meme for this quarter. Ayan. The link is now posted in the chat box. Okay. Now, let me see. Let me see your memes for this week. Okay. Patingin nga, may lita mo pang bagya.